Welcome to Adom Home Cooking. Today we are preparing barbecue chicken wings, spicy barbecue chicken wings. These are the ingredients for preparing barbecue chicken wings. I've got my chicken wings all cleaned up, my herbs, mixed herb. I have parsley, rosemary and coriander. Got my chopped onion, garlic, onion, mixed pepper and chili pepper, and also my Maggi tablet to season. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend all these vegetables, being the onion, the garlic, ginger and the mixed pepper. I blend it together with the Maggi cube and the chili. Normally when we are blending we add water, but with the barbecue I'm going to add oil. So you can just add a bit of oil to help you blend the vegetables. And then you can add half part of the herbs. You add half part of your herbs to the ingredients in your food processor or the blender. So I'm going to blend all this together. This is what I'm going to use to season my chicken wings for the barbecue. So then the rest of the herb, I just chop it roughly or very finely. Be careful about the knife. Then you add it to it and mix. So here we are, your chicken wings is ready for the barbecue. You only put it on the barbecue under the grill on the charcoal, or you can also grill this under your cooker if you have the grill. So here we are, chicken wings is ready to be barbecued. Here we are, our barbecue chicken is ready. I just did mine under the grill. You can do yours on the charcoal barbecue grill. If you use the grill, your oven grill, to go dark brown, just for you to get the same colors on the barbecue grill. So my spicy barbecue chicken wing is ready. I'll just arrange it on my plate. Can be served on its own or served with your bread, your rice and anything of your choice. So here we are, our spicy barbecue chicken wings is ready. Enjoy.